Hi, welcome to another junior algebra video. In the next lot of videos, I think we have 9 in total, we turn our attention to solving equations. Right, in mathematics we often use symbols or letters to represent numbers. These are called variables. When we solve an equation, we are trying to determine what the number the variable is. Right, here's our first example. X is a number. X plus 4 more is equal to 15. Now, the vast majority of us may have found the answer already by saying x is equal to 11, because 11 plus 4 is 15. But we don't want you to guess answers in algebra anymore. We want you to use proper algebra steps to solve this equation, because in the next couple of years, in year 10, 11, 12, and 13, things are going to get really difficult. So we're going to show you a proper algebra step-by-step way to solve equations, and we need you to learn it. And it involves putting a line down the middle and having a left-hand side and a right-hand side. And the key rule you must remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side to keep it equal. Right, so let's show you how to solve this with the proper algebra steps. See this plus 4? We're going to do the opposite, which is to subtract 4. But if I subtract 4 on the left-hand side, I must subtract 4 on the right-hand side to keep it equal. Now on the right-hand side, I have 15 minus 4, which leaves me with 11. On the left-hand side, I have this plus 4 and this minus 4, which makes 0, so they cancel out to 0. That leaves me just the x by himself or herself, and so I've figured that x is equal to the number 11. I've solved it with the correct algebra steps. You might want to check 11 plus 4 is 15. Very good to do is to check your answer. You can always check your answer once you've solved an equation. Right, let's get into example 2. So a line down the middle. Oh, by the way, have you figured it out already? 23 minus 2 is 21. So you probably know S is equal to 23. But let's not worry about the answer. Let's do the technique. By the way, this is not the only way to solve this equation. There are other different techniques. This is the one that we're working on in these videos. Right, line down the middle. See this take away 2? We're going to add 2, which is the opposite of subtracting 2. But if we plus 2 on the left, we must plus 2 on the right. Now on the right, 21 plus 2 is 23. On the left, minus 2 plus 2 makes 0, so they cancel to 0. That just leaves me with the S on the left, so S is equal to the number 23. And again, a quick check to see if 23 is the right answer. All right, now let's move into example 3. We have A plus 1.45 is equal to 12.231. So something plus 1.45 takes us up to 12.231. Now, if you're able to guess this without my help of solving it with the proper steps, you are awesome and you're very confident. But I'm going to show you the steps to help you get more confident. Right, line down the middle. See this plus 1.45? We're going to subtract 1.45 because that's the opposite of adding. But if I subtract 1.45 on the left, I must subtract 1.45 on the right. Now, on the right-hand side, I need to go 12.231 minus 1.45. I need my calculator to do that, or a good brain. And I get 10.781. On the left-hand side, see that minus 1.45 and plus 1.45, they cancel, and that leaves me with A. A is equal to 10.781. Quick check to make sure it's all good, and we're ready to go. Cool, thanks for watching.